Just over 5 minutes to go, everybody.
The teamwork that everyone put in to help each other out was amazing.
Coming up to the last few minutes, I'm freaking out.
3 minutes left to go.
I don't know whether or not we're going to meet our targets. And if we don't meet our targets, then we don't get votes for the blue team.
Get a bit of life in you and let's go, okay?
I was definitely behind by at least 40 fish cakes. And I'm thinking, oh no, there's no way I'm going to be able to get mine together, not all 130.
Come on, come on, come on.
Time's up, everybody. Plates should be going now. The waiters are there. They're all smiles to take your food. I hope you've played your secret weapon, guys.
We got our plates out first compared to the blue team.
Go hard, do well, sell them for the red team. We love you.
Mine went out fairly quick, and I think they tasted really lovely.
This is a mini Alfredo lemon mascarpone chips. That's cooked really nicely.
Okay, guys, these are from the red team. Let's see how they taste. Yeah.
Not very much taste there to me at all.
Oh, it was quite delicate, isn't it? And I think they might have just fried these little babies within an inch of their lives.
Okay, guys, we need to start seeing our first trays going out. Beautifully seasoned, beautifully presented. Nice, neat trays, clean and tidy, okay? Okay? Yes, sir. Chels, yours is up.
I still need to toast the bread, sear off the meat, finish the relish.
Don't put your fingers all around the outside of the tray because I'm not sending it out like that.
We'd heard that the blue team were having trouble getting canapes out.
Got to get the red team's food out there.
We're on a bit of a high because we could tell that we were getting the plates out on time.
This is the red team.
Very nice, very nice.
So, this is New Zealand lamb with pea pesto.
Oh, yeah. It's nice.
You can taste the pea, can't you? It's quite pleasant.
It's not too dry, and I think the bread's just about right, isn't it?
Yeah, and it's delivering for me on flavour.
Come on, guys. I'm starting to think about getting my chef's jacket on. If that has to happen, you guys are in big trouble.
It gave us all a fright. If he has to do that, we're going to look like losers.
I've done 8 of these crumbles, and I need 130. I'm gonna need help. Dave, I'm sorry, I'm not quite there yet, mate.
He kept asking for help, and I wanted to offer as much help as I could, but everyone was still focused on doing their own tasks at the same time.
And be careful with the plate because they're gonna jiggle. And I don't want them jiggling or I'll kick your ass. The Thailand red team are awesome.
The waiters are your lifeline to your customers. If they like you, they're likely to try and push your food, right? The fact that Andrea told one of them she was going to kick their ass, I'm not sure about that, though.
The people are loving the prawns up there.
It'll be good if you get more than one tray out.
It's really nice, eh? It actually tastes quite good.
Quite a nice flavour, I think. It looks really lovely. But I think she's murdered those prawns. She's cooked them too long.
Yeah, I found the prawns ended up a bit tough, but definitely the mango at the beginning was a very nice taste.
Yeah.
Come on, Z, you're breaking my heart. Just one tray, mate. One tray.
Coming out.
The red team's pushing them out thick and fast at the moment. Let's go.
That's a little ball of glop, isn't it?
It is a little bit sticky there, isn't it? Yeah. I think the red onion jam was adding some flavour there, but it was lost, really.
So, yeah, not my favourite one, I have to say.
I'm just getting through this as fast as I can, get all mine up so I can help my teammates. Everyone's been working their asses off. Every single one of us, and we've all been helping each other, so we're not going to lose.
Taste the honey.
A little bit dry, I think, for me.
Shame because the look of it was very appealing coming towards. Yeah,
it looks really nice. That Maori bread's a bit hefty, but I like the dressing. It's quite good.
Guys, let's stay focused and let's start working harder. Let's pull finger, please. I don't want to go home, and I'm responsible for you guys. I'm trying to push the team along as much as I possibly can.
Okay, how did I look?
I'm very happy with my dish. I don't think I could have done that any better than I did.
It's the nicest one so far.
It's very strong, but it's
With a bit of warm
nice.
really nice.
It's dry. A muffin's usually lovely and sort of spongy and moist, but nice flavour. Yeah.
Very definitely a strong blue cheese. I don't really get in the pear or anything.
And I do like blue cheese. I'm a big blue cheese fan, but that was all I tasted.
It was fantastic to know that we had a lot out at one time circulating through the guests.
I think red with the salmon crepes, really delicious.
Flavour's good.
Yeah, flavour is good. There was a little bit of a tangy flavour in there, which I did like.
Clean and tidy, okay?
6 hours without a break on our feet. It felt good to finally get it out there.
Good to go. Service.
Great. I actually think that's really nice. I wasn't sure I would like it, but
Light and tasty. We're getting a nice pate taste there.
And it's a nice contrast to what we've been tasting so far.
Yeah.
Yep.
So you've got no mushroom tartlets left?
No, they were
All 130 went? Did extra, good on you.
The difference between us and the blue team is our food came out a lot earlier and there was no big pauses in between.
Let's have a taste. What do you think,
I
boys?
quite like that.
It's pleasant, the fact that the pastry just crumbled away and disappeared was quite pleasant.
Yeah. Light, flaky pastry, nice, strong flavours. I really like that.
Did it say to put the vinegar in straight at the start?
No, I've reduced it. With my béarnaise sauce, it was on the heat for a while. I was whisking it like a mad thing. It wasn't thickening up. Oh, very bitey. Oh, it's terrible. We didn't have a chance to make another one. There just wasn't time. So I rescued it as much as I could.
Do you like to try the beef?
Yeah, I would love to. Oh, that is much better than the Venetian.
That's really good.
Beef's very succulent. It's done just right, and there's a lovely little burst of flavour on the top there to take it down. So
I'm really pleased with that one. Really good. Yeah.
I got the first tray done, but I was quite pleased once I sort of stood back and had a look. I'm just worried maybe I'm rushing a little bit on the presentation, but it tastes good.
Yeah, I like the caper, cut through it nicely.
Now these look cute. Not too bad.
I thought the potato was a pleasant surprise. I was expecting something a bit heavier, but the potato came apart quite nice. It left a nice taste with the sauce.
On the whole, successful.
Beautiful. Look at that, nice and crispy.
I loved it. It looked amazing because it looked so crispy.
Thank you very much. You're rather large. Red's leading in my books at the moment. Difficult to eat though, but we'll give it a go.
Quite light. Rather a nice pork flavour.
And the egg was nice and soft in the middle.
But way too big. And this is like entree size.
Yeah.
2 minutes. I'm quite happy with my dish actually. I think it looks beautiful. Stevenson, thanks.
I think there'll be a hit. I hope.
When I first saw it, I thought that looked like a delicious stack of flavour going on there. But now I've eaten it, I'm not quite so sure.
Yeah, it's not really delivering the things it promised me.
No.
Okay, guys, we've got 15 minutes left of service, so let's give a good final push. Come on, Dave. That's 60 fish cakes in 6 hours, mate. That's 10 an hour.
Let's go.
Not very impressive.
Now, tasted one before. Really good. So hopefully the taste will get me through.
I don't mind that. Nice flavour.
Light and easy to eat.
I'd be delighted to see that at any cocktail party that we were doing.
30 seconds, guys. What else can you get up? We've got 30 seconds left.
Get them on. I don't know whether or not we're going to meet our targets.
10 seconds.
10, guys. 10.
Grab him, grab him, grab him, grab him, grab him.
Everyone else is trying to pump out as much as they possibly can.
4,
Let's go. Get them on. Get them on the plate.
2, 1. That's it, guys.
So when the last ones finally hit the pass and are ready to go and taken out, we just take a deep breath.
Good work, I think a few of you might need hugs, no?
Yeah, we were stoked. We pulled it off and everyone's dishes looked really, really good and tasted amazing.
Thank you guys so much for all your hard work.
Thanks for the leadership, Ray.
I'd just like to introduce you to the MasterChef contestants who've been slaving away in the galley for you all afternoon. Now, we hope that you've enjoyed what they've had to offer. Now comes the moment of truth, voting. It's up to you to choose one of these, depending on which team's food you like the best, and place them in the container over there. The team that gets the most votes will win the challenge. Blue for the blue cheese.
Red team had best quantity, keep coming thick and fast.
I like the blue team.
The prawn was my favourite, so I'm going to have to go with red.
The guests are downstairs voting on your efforts, and we'll soon know who the winning team is. But right now, you're all winners. We got the job done. The guests are happy, so give yourself a round of applause.